Physics is mysterious, and although with science we've been able to explain so much of our world, the deeper we dig, the more questions arise. One of those mysteries is wave-particle duality and the double-slit experiment. As the famous 20th century physicist Richard Feynman said,
The double-slit experiment contains all the mystery of quantum mechanics.
finding an explanation for the mystifying results of the double-slit experiment could give us the key to unlock the heart of quantum theory. So, let's take a closer look at the experiment. The setup is pretty simple. On one side you have two identical slits, and on the other a uniform wall. Behind the slits is a light bulb, and when you turn it on, the light, acting as a wave, shines through the slits and radiates out onto the other side, hitting the wall and forming a pattern of lighter and darker stripes. This occurs because as the light from the two slits begins to spread out after it passes through, the light waves begin to interfere with each other. But this isn't the remarkable part of the experiment. It simply demonstrates basic wave behavior. Everything gets weird, though, when you try again, with an individual photon, which is a particle. When you send individual photons randomly through two slits, you'd expect a pretty equal distribution on the wall. But physicists were astonished to find that instead they end up forming the same interference pattern as the light waves. Since each photon goes through the slit individually, there's nothing that should interfere with its path. Instead, it seems the photons are interfering with themselves. It's as if each photon already knows where it should go. What's even stranger is that if you rerun the experiment with a detector that detects which slit the photon goes through, the photons change their path and behave the way we would expect them to. Almost as if they know someone's watching. As of now, science hasn't been able to illuminate this mystery. That's why it's up to us to continue the research. And, as our friend Richard Feynman said,
Not even Mother Nature knows which way the photon goes.